Hi viewers, welcome to Vriksham channel. Learn mathematics easily. Here in this question, we are given the graph of y equal to g of x. We have to sketch the graph of each of the following. So first thing given is y equal to g of x plus 2 plus 3. So then the translation vector here is minus 2 comma 3. That is, translation takes place in the horizontal as well as vertical direction. So in the horizontal direction minus 2 and in the vertical direction 3 factors above. So now consider this point. So it is minus 2, 1. Then this is minus 2, minus 1. And this is 2, 1. Then the new factor will be, so horizontally 2 points. So minus 2. So minus 2, minus 2 will be minus 4. And in the vertical direction, here also we will get this. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So minus 4 comma 4. This is the new point. Then next one is minus 2. It is x-axis minus 1, y-axis minus 2. So the new point will be minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, and minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So minus 3, 1 will be here, and the next one is this point. So 2 and 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So this point. So the new graph will be this one. So this represents y equal to g of x plus 2 plus 3. Then next one, consider y equal to 2 times g of x plus 1. So which means that the stretching factor is 2 and the translation factor is 0 and 1. So which means that the vertical translation. So now consider this. So the new points will be, so 2 times g of x, 2 times 1 plus 1. So it is 3. So the first point is minus 2 comma 3. So minus 2 comma 3 is here. Minus 2 comma 3. Then next one is minus 1 minus 2. For this point, substitute this formula. So 2 times minus 2. So which means that minus 4 plus 1. So it is minus 3. So the new point is minus 1 minus 3. Then next one is 2 times g of x. So 2 times 1 plus 1. So it is 2 comma 3. Now join all these points. So this one represents y equal to 2 times g of x plus 1. Then similarly consider the next one, y equal to 2 minus g of x. So which means that there exists a reflection in the x-axis and translation in the vertical direction. That is the meaning for this. So now we will find the new point. So first one is, so 2 minus g of x. So which means that 2 minus 1 is 1. So the new point is minus 2, 1. Then next one, 2 minus of minus 2. So it is 0. So the new point is minus 1, 0. Then next one, 2 minus 1. So it is 1. So therefore the new point is 2 comma 1. So the new graph is this one. This line represents y equal to 2 minus g of x. Not right. The middle point is 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 4, sorry, 2 comma 4 minus 1 comma 4. So it will be somewhere here. So the new graph is this one. That is y equal to 2 times 2 minus g of x. So the graph of this is this one. Next one, y equal to 2 times g of minus x plus 1. So which means that the reflection is on the y-axis and there is a stretching as well as vertical translation. So stretching factor is 2 and vertical translation is also there. So now calculate the values. So first point is minus 2, 1. So which implies y equal to 2 times 1 plus 1. So it is 3. So minus 2 comma 3. So minus 2 comma 3 will be here. Then next point is minus 1 minus 2. So which is 2 times minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 minus 4 plus 1. So it will be minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 comma minus 3. Then next set of point 2 times 1 plus 1. So it is 2 comma 3. So the graph is this one. This represents y equal to 2 times g of minus 6 plus 1. Then next one, y equal to minus 2g of x minus 1. So which means that the stretching factor is minus 2 and the translation factor is here it is 0 and minus 1. That is the vertical translation. So here it is negative value, so vertically downward. So now consider the points. Consider here. So it is minus 2 times 1 minus 1. So it is minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 is 1 point. Minus 2 minus 3. Then next one is consider this point minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 2 times minus 2 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 3. So the new point is minus 1 3. Then next one is minus 2 times 1 minus 1. So it is minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, the new graph is this one. This represents y equal to minus 2 times g of x minus 1. Then f is g of 2x plus 3. So which means that the horizontal stretch with stretching factor 1 by 2 and the translation vector is 0 and 3. So now we will go accordingly. So therefore the corresponding y values will be, so x will be replaced as 2x. No, not 2x. So we have to divide by 2. So minus 2 comma minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So here x equal to minus 1 and y is 4. That is g of 1 plus 4. So the new point is minus 1 comma 4. This one. Then similarly next to consider this point is minus 1. So minus 1 divided by 2 is 0. Minus 0.5 and the corresponding y value is minus 2 plus 3, so 1. So minus 0.5 plus 1. Then next one is 1 and 4. This graph represents y equal to g of 2x plus 3. Seventh one, y equal to g of 2x minus 6. So which means that the stretching factor is 1 by 2 and the translation vector here is 6 comma 0, that is the horizontal stretch we are considering. So with respect to this, the stretch factor is 2 and the translation vector will be 3. So therefore stretch factor 2 means minus 2 by 2 is 1, that is minus 1. Then afterwards we have to move 3 points. So it is 0 1 2. So the new point will be 2 comma 1. Then next one, similarly we can consider the next point minus 1 and minus 2. So here minus 1 divided by 2 is minus 0.5. So minus 0.5 then again we have to move 3 points. So it is 2.5. So it will be here. So minus 2.5 and minus 2. And another one here is according to this point 2 comma 1. So 2 by 2 is 1. Then again we have to move 3 steps. So it is 5 comma 1. Okay, so the new graph is this one. This represents y equal to g of 2x minus 6. Then come to the last one. Here we are given y equal to g of minus 6 plus 1. Which means that there is a reflection in y-axis and the translation, horizontal translation also. So reflection and translation takes place and the translation vector is minus 1 0. Hence the new points will be, so the reflection here takes place in the y-axis and there is one step moving again. So minus 2, the new point is minus 1 1. Then minus 1 minus 2 can be written as, so it is minus 2, 2, 2 minus 2. Yeah, right. 2 minus 2. That is, we are translating horizontally one step and stretching, that is the reflection on y-axis. And another one is 3 comma 1. So 3 1 will be here. Therefore the graph of this function is this one, that is y equal to g of minus x plus 1.
If you are comfortable, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell button for further notifications. Thank you.